Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change system language on your TCL 32V5C TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon to open settings. Then in settings, go to device preferences that have a monitor icon next to them. Then navigate to language with the globe icon next to this option. And then select the language from this list. Once you select the language you need, your system will switch to that language within up to a minute. And then you'll be able to change it in the very same way. So let's go to settings, then to the monitor icon, then to the globe icon, and then let's select English once again. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.